So you want to hit the next 1 million views from YouTube, and of course what your biggest challenge is actually coming out with a video idea. I understand that fully and I've been in that spot right now. When you want to come out with videos that will actually go viral on YouTube, the very first thing you want to consider is coming up with the video idea. Of course, there are video ideas that give 1,000 views, there are video ideas that give 20,000 views, there are video ideas that will give you up to 100 million views on YouTube, and that is very possible, right? We have already seen it with big creators and their ideas. Now, today's video, I'll be giving you underrated ways to actually come up with video ideas that can blow your YouTube channel up in 2023. These are strategies that I have used over the last 5 years and I've seen that it works. And of course, it can work for you. Come close because I'm gonna spill out a lot of things in today's video. Let's start here. The very first thing I want to tell you that is very important is what they call reverse engineering. Have you heard of reverse engineering? Definitely not. But this is something that, let's use an example like China. They have been using over the years to actually make their country technology better. What they do is they take out what other countries have produced and they see that it works. They try to make it better, and of course they actually do make it better, and people actually turn to use their own products, right? So it's the same thing that applies on YouTube. What you want to do is you want to go to your top competitors that are in that same niche, go to their most popular videos, and then you can make a better video from what you have seen. You can make a video that is more engaging. You can come up with a title that is more engaging, but you don't want to use the same thumbnail. So reverse engineering is the #1 step to go, and it's absolutely a free way to get a video idea. Trust me, if it doesn't work, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll definitely help you on this one. Now, the second way I want to tell you is something that is directly linked to your competitors, right? You have some competitors on YouTube, and of course, YouTube even helps you by showing you the competitors who are actually competing with you, right? So what you want to actually do is you want to go to the top creators on your niche. If they're talking about the iPhone 11 Pro Max today, right, you have to go to their video, go to the comment section, look at what their audience is asking from them, and of course you can create a video from that. Why am I saying you should actually start that way? Because when you start up a YouTube channel, the very first way that you get views or people get to discover your video is through YouTube search, right? And of course, those people on the comment section that are actually asking for those niche specific questions are the same people that will go onto the YouTube platform and type in what they are looking for. Definitely you want to be the person that will give them the answer, and if it's actually something that is dedicated for them, solving a particular problem, a niche problem, definitely they're going to subscribe, and of course in turn it's going to give you a lot of views. Trust me, this is something that will come in very handy for creators who actually want evergreen content. I hope this helps you. Now, another way I want to tell you is something that has actually worked for me, and even up to today I'm actually using it. What do I do? Now, let's say I want to talk about the best breeds of dogs in America, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll start typing on the YouTube search bar, best breeds of dogs, and I press a space. Now, what you're going to notice is YouTube is going to give you a countdown of the different things people are actually searching for. This is very, very useful. Listen to this clip, because what YouTube is doing is they're telling you that this is what people are looking for at this time. This is what is actually trending at this time. And of course, you can use that to actually make a video that is going to blow up. Trust me, the top 10 lists that will be listening to you, there are things that has proven to work on the platform, and that is why they're actually showing you there, because people are searching for it. And of course, if you can create an interesting video about those topics, you're going to definitely blow up. It's no doubt that you're gonna blow up. Another way I want to tell you on how to come up with a video idea is using AI. I know a lot of people have spoken about this, but I'm just gonna add it here because I've seen that it comes in very handy. Now, you can go up to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT that what is the most trending thing in tech right now, or it should bring you a video idea about a trending phone or something that you want to search on. Well, ChatGPT is gonna do it for you, but you want to input that in the right prompt. Let's say I want to talk about the iPhone 14, right? I want to talk about that phone today. I'll write to ChatGPT as a tech specialist. Tell me the most trending features on iPhone 14 and make it in bullet points. Now, you can actually go as far as telling the bot to give you a lot of characters in that. like expanding it in different points and making it very clear to you, you can do that. But you want to consider this because ChatGPT 3 is actually working on data from 2021 and below. Now, you don't want to search in things that are very recent because ChatGPT 4 is actually going to do that, but you don't want to search in things that are recent because it's not going to give you accurate answers. And sometimes you're doing that for your audience to actually know that you're using AI. Now, that is what you want to consider when using ChatGPT, right? Now, another website that will encourage you to use, and I've used it myself, is what they call askthepublic.com. What askthepublic.com is doing is that if you want to talk about, let's say, a celebrity, let's say I want to talk about Rihanna, I go to askthepublic.com and I just start in Rihanna. What askthepublic.com is going to do is for me is it's going to categorize that into what, how, why, who. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but from the screen you can definitely understand this. It's going to say take how, and it's going to put how Rihanna does this with a boyfriend, how Rihanna, how. It takes everything related to how or what people are searching for. It takes everything on what, it takes everything that you need on any topic that answer those 5 main questions and even more. You can even go as far as getting more metrics when you bought the paid version. It comes in very handy. I hope this video has helped you a lot, and I hope you're getting a lot of value from this video. Now, all that I've said, you have to configure your channel to the right settings, right? You have to configure your channels to the right settings so that the YouTube algorithm will be your friend. And in order to do that, you have to click on this video to understand what I'm saying. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm Awesome Lalpdy.